most significant challenges that SMEs face when seeking finance is understanding the different types of finance options available to them. Now, depending on how long you've been in business will depend on which lender is willing to lend you money. So if you're a new business and have only been operating for less than 2 years, you don't have too many options because a lot of businesses fail within the first 2 years. A lot of SMEs tend to be reactive rather than proactive when seeking finance. Okay, so larger corporates tend to have a financial controller, a CFO, have historical data that is timely, and a forward planning, 12 months, 3 years. So they're aware of money coming in, money going out, and when the funds are required. So in terms of managing cash flow, an SME needs to have timely and accurate information. Different finance options for SMEs in order to manage growth, depending on what industry they're in. Are they B2C? Are they B2B? There are many options. One option could be for an importer, trade finance. If they're selling to other businesses on account, it could be invoice finance. Looking at just their business based on their bank statements, could be an unsecured business loan. It could be a line of credit or overdraft if they've got security to provide. So these are the different options that we look at when an SME comes for finance. My advice to SMEs when seeking finance is know your numbers. You need to know your numbers, so when you're asked, you know exactly how much money you've made, what your profitability is, any trends within those numbers, because that's what the lenders are looking for. So finance might get you so far, but understanding your business and your industry will get you much further. SMEs come to me at various parts of their business life cycle. So depending on where the SME is in their business life cycle is the type of finance that can be provided to the client and the strategy for that finance. So at Peak Capital, we understand where the business is within their life cycle. We ask them what their future goals are and what they're going to do to get there. So based on their strategy is the strategy that we put in place for their finance. Are they seeking the lowest rate? Are they seeking the best terms? Are they seeking the longest loan term? Are they seeking a relationship? Are they seeking a finance partner? Depending on the individual SME's requirements is the solution that we put in place.